In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra spaces in Excel. If you've ever copied text into a spreadsheet and noticed awkward spacing, like extra spaces at the beginning, the end, or even between words, Excel has a simple, built-in way to clean that up. We'll be using the trim function, which is designed to remove unnecessary spaces while keeping a single space between words. This is especially helpful when you're cleaning names, labels, or imported data. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and create a blank worksheet. For this example, we'll work with a simple set of sample data so you can clearly see how the cleanup works. In your worksheet, enter the headers Original Text and Clean Text across the top so your data is organized. Then fill the sample data into cells A1 through B5, as shown in your example layout, with the original text appearing in the first column. The idea here is that the first column contains text with extra spaces, and the second column will show the corrected version after the formula is applied. Once your sample data is in place, click on cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula that cleans the text from cell A2. Type equals trim. Open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, then press enter. Excel will immediately return the cleaned version of the text from A2, removing any leading spaces, trailing spaces, and extra spaces between words. After that, you don't need to type the formula again for every row. Instead, drag the fill handle down through the remaining cells in the clean text column. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Dragging it downward copies the formula and automatically adjusts it for each row, so each original text entry is cleaned in the same way. You should now see the results side by side. The text in the clean text column will look neater and more consistent. For example, names with extra spaces will now display properly with only one space between first and last names. One important tip to remember is that trim removes unnecessary spaces, but it does not remove all spaces entirely. It keeps a single space between words, which is exactly what you usually want for readable text. This is a quick and reliable method for cleaning spreadsheet data, and it can save a lot of time when you're working with imported lists or messy text entries. And that's how to remove extra spaces in Excel.